Hello, Namaste. I am Jivan Bista from Nepal. Welcome to you in my Basuri class again. In last time around 3 or 4 class I give to you just speech, a little bit tips, and now today I would like to give this is in theory. So if you are continuing to with me in Basuri class, so you have to be make one copy like notebook, for I give us some tips and then you may write down in there and then you can practice it. So in last time I gave to you Sare Gamma Pada Nisa. It's ascending, descending like this. So this is in how to write. Actually we write in our language, Nepali language, but maybe you understand or not, I don't know. So that's why I am trying to give in English word Sare Gamma Pada Nisa is like this. This is easy for like this. So Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa is Sa is yes, Re Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa, and yes, and then upper I just put like a little bit apostrophe here. This is means high octave. So please write down. This is helpful to you. Lesson number 1. It's ascending, descending is Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa, Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. Lesson number 2 also 2 times Sa Sa Re Re Ga Ga Ma Ma Pa Pa Dha Dha Ni Ni Sa Sa. And lesson number 3 also same like this 3 times Sa 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 Re 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 Ga 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 Ma Ma Ma. And last one lesson number 4 is Sa 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 Re 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 Ga 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 Ma 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 Pa 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 Da 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 Ni 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 Sa Sa Sa. Okay, and then I put this. It means in one count how many notes in there, that notes we have to play. Like Sa 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 and then underscore means in one count. In one count 3 times. One count 2 times. One count 4 times. This is like this. And again I would like to give you one more lesson in here. This is lesson number 5. You know Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa very well. So today I would like to give one very nice lesson. This is very interesting and you have to play a lot. Please first you write down here. I written in here lesson. This is Sa Re Ga Re Ga Ma. Lesson number 5. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Pa Dha Ni Da Ni Sa. This is ascending. And descending Sa Ni Dha Ni Da Pa Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. Okay. And how goes this melody is like this. You know already where is which note is. So Sa Re Ga is Sa Re Ga. Okay. This is ascending. Now descending. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. and stay tuned for the next video. I will come and then I will teach as much as my capacity to you. Until that, you keep and keep practice. It's make perfect to you. I wish have a nice flute player. Goodbye and namaste. Take care of yourself.